Yes, welcome to the class. So today we are going to discuss about chapter number 2. Okay, so nutrition in animals. Okay, nutrition in animals. So in this nutrition animals, in the previous chapter, okay, so in the first chapter you may already learnt about nutrition in plants. Okay, so you may already learnt about nutrition in plants. Okay, in that nutrition in plants, how the plants get nutrition, so the plants how the plants get food. Okay, so these are the things we are already learnt in the previous chapter, and that means in chapter 1. Okay, so like how the plants will going to prepare their own food, so that process is called as an photosynthesis. Okay, so these are the things we are already learnt in the first chapter. Now, so I am asking one question. So in the like plants can able to prepare their own food. Okay, that process is called photosynthesis ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, can the animals can able to prepare their own food? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Okay, why? Because it is not able to prepare their own food. Okay, so it will be depends on, okay, depends on other animals, okay, and plants. Okay, so other animals and plants. Okay, so the animal cannot able to prepare their own food, so that's why it will be like depends on other animals and it will depends on plants. Okay, so how can they like how can get the food, how the animal will be food ಹೇಗೆ ತೊಳುತ್ತೆ by eating the plants. Okay, eat plants. Okay, plants ಅನ್ನ eat ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ. Okay, so animals ನ eat ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ. Okay, some animals eat both plants and animals both ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ತಿಂತವೆ. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವು ತಿಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಬೋತ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಏಂತಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ವೈ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೈ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರಿ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವೈ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಫುಡ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್. ಫಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? So suppose, and also we have to like any like so if organisms growth ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತವೆ ಫುಡ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ? ಅವು ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಡಿಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಓಕೆ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಪೇನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಬಂದಾಗ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೆಡ್ಏಕ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಫುಡ್ ತೊಗೊತಿರಲ್ವ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ನೀಡ್ ದ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವೇ ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಸನ್ಸು, ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕೀ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟು, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫುಡ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫುಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ like assessed. Okay, which are those? Like I am writing some carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and like fatty acids. Okay, so these are the like elements which are present in the food. Okay, so main components ಇವೆಲ್ಲ present ಇರ್ತವೆ. Okay, next, while coming to carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, okay, these carbohydrates will be made up of sugar molecules. Okay, sugar molecules. Okay, these sugar molecules consist of an glucose, fructose. Okay, so and in another like sucrose or galactose, this is called as a monosaccharides ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, don't go, you will be deep much more. Okay, these carbohydrates will be made up of sugar molecules. Okay, so these carbohydrates will be consist of like a sugar molecules. Okay, so that carbohydrates will be break down into, okay, this one is a complex substance. Okay, complex substance. That complex substance will be break down into simpler substance. Okay, so this simpler substance will be look like, okay, after breakdowning of complex substance will be like, it will be like look like this is a simpler substance. Okay, so this one is simpler substance. Why the carbohydrates will be breakdown into simpler substance? For because of a digestion purpose. Okay, because of a digestion purpose. Okay, so digestion purpose only, we the carbohydrates will be break down into simpler substance, complex substance in the simpler substance ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, is called as a digestion. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ digestion, not a digestion purpose ಅಲ್ಲ, it is called as a digestion. Okay, so ಏನು ಇವನ್ನ digestion ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, and also we are moving to different ways of taking food. Different ways of taking food. So which are the ways of different ways, which are the ways we have to taking the food? Okay, were like each animal having a different types of ways we have to take the food. Okay, so coming to like bees. Okay, bees is like one of the like bees and a hummingbird. Okay, so what they will be going to do, it will be suck ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Okay, ಹೀರ್ಕೊಳೋದು. Okay, suck the nectar of the plants. Okay, nectar of plants. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲವರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮಕರಂದಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಇವನ್ನೇ ಕರೆಯೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವು ಬೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೇನುಹುಳ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ಸೊ ಮಕರಂದನ ಹೀರ್ಕೊತವೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಹಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, okay, performing the same function. Next we are coming to like snake. How the snake will be taking the food? So by swallowing. Okay, like humans mouth ಇಂದ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ aquatic animals ಲೈಕ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫ್ಲೋಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫುಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಈಸಿಲಿ ದ ಫಿಶ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇದು ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, so it will be like taking the food from like that only. Okay, these are the different ways of taking food of a different animals. Okay, so in that on table 2.1 they giving one activity called as an, okay, so they giving different types of name of the animals. Okay, in that snail, ant, okay, and also eagle. Okay, and some more. Okay, so in that one you have to mention, okay, so different ways of mode of feeding. Okay, so ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ಊಟ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಮೋಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ 2.1. and like in another one, the amazing fact is there about like starfish. The starfish is look like, see here it is look like this only. Okay, so it is will be made up of odd shell of calcium carbonate. Okay, this is made up of odd shell of calcium carbonate. So they how the starfish will be taking the food means, there is a one of the like, okay, one of the wave is there. Okay, it will be open the stomach. Okay, open the stomach through mouth. Okay, and take on the food. Okay, take on the smaller food or something, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರೋ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay, take on the food and go back to, okay, this stomach will be go back to this place. Okay, through mouth only. Okay, so like that, open the stomach and it will be through the mouth. Okay, and it will be like a feed the food. Okay, and it will be like so it will be like go back to through mouth only. So in that stomach the food will be digested. Okay, food will be going to digest. So this is, so how the digestion will be takes place in humans, how the digestion in humans. Okay, so I'm going to write a diagram. Okay, sorry. So this one is called as an buccal cavity. Okay, so the digestive system will be defined in different parts. Buccal cavity. So in that buccal cavity or mouth we called as an buccal cavity consists of a tongue and like teeth. So below the tongue there is a gland is called salivary gland. It will be produces a saliva. So salivary gland, okay, it will be produces the saliva, and this buccal cavity will be connected through the stomach through esophagus. Okay, this one is called as an esophagus. Okay, we called as an food pipe also. Okay, food pipe. Okay, food pipe, it is around 25 centimeter long. Okay, and that one there is a like cup shaped, there is a organ is called as a stomach. So this stomach will be connected to the small intestine. Okay, this small intestine will be indirectly connected to the directly will connected to the large intestine. Okay, that large intestine will be connected to the anus through rectum. This one is a large intestine. Okay, so it will be ended up with anus. Okay, this one we called as an anus. So through rectum. Okay, rectum. Okay, so this one is large intestine, this one is small intestine. Okay, so this one is stomach. So along with the stomach, so there are another glands are there. Okay, this one is the liver. Okay, so and here there is a one pancreas will be connected here. Okay, so this pancreas and liver will be connected to the small intestine. Okay, so what is the liver? Okay, this one is pancreas. Okay, what is the function of liver and pancreas means it will produces the digestive juices. Okay, like that salivary gland, it will be produces the saliva, like that it will be produces the digestive juices. What the digestive juices will be helpful, it will be like a break down the complex substance of food into smaller substance. Okay, so that one will be happen in the like small intestine. Okay, so in that, so this is a buccal cavity. Okay, buccal cavity consists of an like teeth and tongue. Okay, and this one is esophagus for the movement of the food through to the stomach. Okay, in that stomach there is a like a cup like structured. Okay, so in the stomach there is a secretion of hydrochloric acid. So that hydrochloric acid will be like removing helpful for the removing the bacteria in the food items. Okay, so then after it will be transferred to the small intestine. Okay, in the small intestine like digestive juices will be going to join. Okay, in the liver from the pancreas, in that small intestine, that will be digestion will be takes place, and it will be given to the large intestine. Like in the large intestine like the small and undigested food will be travel through the large intestine, and it will be excreted through anus through the rectum. Okay, so this is a small brief idea about digestive system of the body. So the complete from the buccal to anus, we there is a one like it will be structure like a canal. Okay, it is the structure like in the form of canal. So that's why we are called as an alimentary canal. Okay, alimentary canal, or like it is a called as a digestive system. Okay, digestive tract. Okay, digestive tract. Okay, next, so so what is meant by digestive system? Okay, so the digestive juices. Okay, I'm already told now the liver and pancreas it will be produces the digestive juices. These digestive juices will be converted into complex substance of a food into simpler ones. Okay, this digestive tract. Okay, this is a digestive tract and associated with the glands. Okay, this is the digestive tract and associated with the glands. Okay, this is the liver and this is the pancreas gland. Okay, so associated with the glands together constitute called as a digestive system. So along with the like digestive tract and along with the liver and pancreas we called as a digestive gland. Okay, digestive system. Okay, so this is up to like so in this video we are going to cover the like what is the nutrients. Okay, which are those nutrients, what are those components will be present in the food, and different ways of taking food, and also carbohydrates, how the breaking the what is the purpose of a carbohydrates will be broken into simpler substance, and amazing fact of starfish, and also digestion in humans. Okay, so this is end of the class. Okay, so it will be concluded in the next class. Okay, thank you for attending the class, and also for more information you have to subscribe our Adigamana achievers for the more videos we are going to update it like regularly basis for like in chapter wise. Okay, so please like and share and comment on this video, and I have to share this video for any of the students will be so studying in the 7th standard. Okay, it may be useful for some of the persons, some of the students. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you, bye bye, tata.